Luxury, power, and unparalleled presence. That's what the 2025 BRABUS G800 Facelift delivers. This isn't just an SUV. It's a statement on wheels, pushing boundaries with its breathtaking performance and bold design upgrades. Under the hood, the 2025 BRABUS G800 Facelift roars with a hand-tuned 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine. This beast generates an astonishing 800 horsepower and a staggering 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, taking the G-Class to new performance heights. The SUV sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds, an incredible feat for such a rugged, commanding vehicle. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and the signature BRABUS exhaust system, the G800 offers explosive acceleration, with a symphony of power every time you hit the gas pedal. The BRABUS G800 Facelift is an unmistakable icon, boasting an aggressive yet refined look. The front fascia features a redesigned grille with BRABUS badging, flanked by LED headlights that deliver cutting-edge illumination. A custom carbon fiber hood scoop and flared wheel arches emphasize its bold athletic stance. It rides on massive 24-inch forged wheels, further enhancing its road presence. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of unmatched luxury and craftsmanship. The cabin is wrapped in hand-stitched leather and premium Alcantara, with red contrast stitching adding a sporty flair. The carbon fiber accents across the dashboard and center console give it a high-tech, performance-inspired vibe. The digital cockpit is packed with intuitive controls, offering everything from performance data to advanced navigation. But what truly sets the G800 Facelift apart are its unique features. BRABUS has equipped it with a custom suspension system, allowing drivers to adjust the ride height at the touch of a button. The 2025 BRABUS G800 Facelift starts at $400,000, but with customization options like exclusive paint finishes, bespoke interiors, and upgraded performance kits, the price can easily reach $500,000. It's an investment in exclusivity and unmatched power, a true status symbol for those who demand the best. With its jaw-dropping performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious design, the 2025 BRABUS G800 Facelift redefines what it means to drive a high-performance SUV. If you're looking to make a statement on the road, this is the ultimate choice. What do you think about the BRABUS G800? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic car reviews.